everyone. In Magento 2, managing dependencies between different parts of your code is crucial. This lesson will show you how to use XML to define class preferences, a powerful technique for achieving loose coupling and prompting code flexibility. What are class preferences? Imagine you have an interface called category interface that outlines methods for interacting with product categories. You also have a class named category that implements this interface. Now, wouldn't it be great if Magento could automatically use category whenever it encounters a request for category interface? This is precisely what class preferences allow you to achieve. Using di.xml for class preferences, we will create new file here in etc folder in our module, and click new file di.xml. Note the di is a shortcut for dependency injection, and we will open a tag I will use this one. But here we have this data category interface, and this one I will use model category. Now we're good to go. The preference node, this element tells Magento to configure a class preferences for attribute. For attribute is the attribute specifies the interface that you want to override. In this case, we have category interface. The type attribute defines the actual class. This one, category class model, that will be used instead of the interface. The benefits of class preferences: interface-based development. By relying on interfaces, your code becomes more flexible and easier to maintain. You can swap implementations without affecting other parts of the system as long as the interface contract remains unchanged. Extensibility. Third-party developers can create their own implementations of the interface, providing alternative functionalities without breaking existing code that depends on category interface. Real-world example: flexibility with interfaces. Suppose you currently retrieve category names from a simple string, but what if you later decide to fetch them from a third-party API or database? Let's see here the category class. We return here static name, but in product we are getting the category name from our database or category. Here category class, as you can see. So as long as your new implementation adheres to the methods defined in category interface, you can modify the category class without causing issues in the rest of your application. Any code using category interface will continue to function seamlessly. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your colleagues.